Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jason again, and I just picked up this whiskey cabinet. It is awesome, like so awesome. I don't really know what to say. I spoke to the guy. He was, I pull up to this amazing house. He's an architect, lives in one of the affluent parts of Lakewood, Colorado. He's got it waiting at the door, and I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, this is sick. Like, what is this guy doing getting rid of this thing for this price? He told me that it's his father's, and the dude was about my age, so he's about 40, and I'm thinking, man, this is a pretty old piece for, I was like, was it your father's or your grandfather's? And he's like, it was my father's. My father had me when he was very old, and the piece came from France, and it's been all around the world, and it is in, I would say, almost perfect condition. No, that would be a lie, because there one of the toes on it is a little messed up, and there's like one little ding in it, but it has these amazing hinges that like wrap around the outside of it. They look like spider webs. In this, I think it's either a tiger or a snake, like engraving in a circle. It is sick. So when I get a chance, I'm gonna post the pictures of it. I might wait till I refinish it. I don't know if I'm gonna refinish it yet, because this thing is sick. I don't know what brand it is or anything like that. I just know it's from France, and it looks like it's worth a shit ton of money. And if it's not, I don't care, because it is awesome. All right, cool. Talk to you guys later. Peace.